tutorial on how to create grids on QGIS, and let's start with just typing world here in this coordinate field, and it should generate me this world map. And now you can either go to processing and toolbox and search for grid in here. You should get this vector creation and create grid option, which will open this, or you can also go to vector and research tools and create grid. It's the same. So I'll just change my projection in here. Let's choose pseudo Mercator, just so I can work with meters. And let's create a grid on top of this world map. So I'll generate a diamond grid. The grid extent is going to be this world map layer. And let's select kilometers here for the spacing. So let's say we want 200 kilometer diamonds in there. Yeah, I think that's all. So let's click run, and it generated this whole grid right here. So in order to visualize it, I'll just move the world map to the top. There it is. We have a grid. Oof, this scale. It's taking a while to render, but yeah, you can visualize it right there. So the whole world is covered with evenly spaced squares of 200 kilometers. And that's all for today's video. Thanks.